Good morning, students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In our last episode, we discussed the festival of Assam, and today we will visit Arunachal Pradesh and discuss the most important festivals of Arunachal Pradesh in 5th and 6th paragraph of the topic. Let's move to the 5th paragraph. Lying further north in the mountain region of Himalayas, Arunachal Pradesh is one of India's most remote and picturesque locations with lush green paddy fields and pine-clad mountains. Nature has provided the people of the region with a deep feeling of beauty which can be seen in their festivities, songs and dances. Here, picturesque means a place of attraction, charming to look at. For example, Chilika is a picturesque lake of Odisha. Remote means at a distance, disconnected. We can take an example. Administration is not able to reach in some remote area of the country. Now the substance. Arunachal Pradesh, the second largest state of northeast India, is situated in the mountain region of Himalayas. It is famous for its beautiful location like green paddy field and the mountain full of pine trees. The people of Arunachal do have a deep affection towards the beauty of nature that is reflected in their festivals, songs and dances. Now let's discuss some short answer type questions and their answers. First, where is Arunachal Pradesh? The answer, in the mountain region of Himalaya. What makes Arunachal Pradesh picturesque? Answer, lush green paddy field and pine-clad mountain. Third question, what has nature provided to the people of Arunachal? Answer, deep feeling of beauty. Fourth question, where can we see the reflection of the deep feeling of beauty of the people of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer, in their festivities, song and dances. There is one long question, that is, describe the location and nature of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a beautiful state in the northeastern region of India. It is lying further north in the mountain region of Himalayas. It is one of the most remote and picturesque locations with lush green fields and pine-clad mountain. The nature has provided the people of the state a deep feeling of beauty which are reflected in their festivals, songs and dances. Now let's move to the 6th paragraph. The newer festival, Losar, is perhaps the most important festival in certain areas of Arunachal Pradesh. On this occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring in the new year. Mopin is the harvest festival of Galo tribe. People worship goddess Mopin and pray to drive away evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity and wealth. An indigenous folk dance called Papir is performed by the young women. An iconic outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is the Zero Festival of Music, held at Zero in September every year. The music congregation features a combination of 30 India bands from across the world and top folk arts from across northeast India. Here, discard means to throw something away that is no longer needed. For example, we should discard the old things from our house. Acquire means to gain. Students come to school to acquire knowledge. Congregation, a group of people meeting together. Congregation of people may be the cause of spreading corona. Indigenous, that is native. Odissi is an indigenous dance of Odisha. Iconic means symbolic. His iconic gesture made me understand the real matter. India, it means a group of pop music. Losar is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh. It is the most important festival of certain area of Arunachal. In this festival, people discard the old and unused things of their house to bring in the new year. Mopin is the harvest festival of the Gallo tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. People worship goddess Mopin to drive away evil spirit and give prosperity to them. A local dance named Papir is performed by the young women of the tribe in this festival. Another symbolic musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Zero Festival. It is held at Zero in September every year. 30 India bands from all over the world come to the festival to perform their music. Folk art of Northeast India can also be seen there. Now let's discuss the short answer type questions and their answers. Which is the New Year festival of Arunachal? The answer, Losar. What do people do to bring in New Year in Arunachal Pradesh? Answer, they discard old things. Which is the harvest festival of Gallo tribe in Arunachal? The answer is Mopin. Who do people in Arunachal worship in the Mopin festival? Answer, goddess Mopin. Why do people of Gallo tribe worship goddess Mopin? Answer, to drive away evil spirit and give prosperity. What is the name of the dance that the people perform in Mopin festival in Arunachal? The answer, Papir dance. What is the outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer, Zero festival. When is Zero festival held? The answer, in September every year. Where is Zero festival observed? Answer, at Zero. How many India bands congregate in Zero festival? Answer, 30. Let's now discuss the only long answer type question in the paragraph. What are the important festivals observed in Arunachal Pradesh? The answer, the important festivals of Arunachal Pradesh are Losar, Mopin and Zero festival. Losar is the New Year festival of Arunachal in which people discard old things to bring in New Year. Mopin festival is observed by the Gallo tribe. Goddess Mopin is worshipped to drive away evil spirit and give prosperity. Papir dance is performed by the young women in this festival. Zero festival is the iconic musical festival held at Zero. 30 India bands come to perform their music in this festival. Folk acts of Northeast India is also seen there. So students, in this way we discussed today the festival of Arunachal Pradesh. Next time we will discuss the festivals of Manipur and Mizoram. See you soon. Stay blessed.